Welcome everyone. Today I am at the Assistance League of Ventura County Chapter House, and I will be giving you a tour of how we fill the bags for Operation School Bell. Today we are working on 475 bags for the Ventura Unified School District. Here are some of the bags that we have already filled. This is the room we're working in today. These are our volunteers. Thank you. At this table we are filling bags for 4th and 5th grade students. They're getting school supplies, hygiene products, a gently used book, a National Geographic magazine, a spiral notebook, and a gift card to Target for $75. At this table, we are working on the primary grades. They're getting the same items. They're getting hygiene products, school supplies, National Geographic magazines, a spiral notebook, a gently used book, and they're also getting a $75 Target gift card. In the past, before COVID, we would give the kids actual clothing. So we had socks and underwear, sweatshirts, and t-shirts. And then they would get a gift card for $45 to buy pants and shoes at Target. So we really would appreciate your help with the grant. We have lots of things to purchase for our students in Ventura. Thank you.